Hey. Wow, we're walking today. Hi video. Okay, let's walk. We're going to MRT station. And this is, I don't know what buildings are this. Building. Here's Junrain. So naughty boy.
Look at the video.
Where? There. Okay, let's go. Oh, a double-decker bus.
Double-decker bus.
Okay, let's go.
And there's the other one. Then
Hi video. Inside Serangoon MRT station. Careful. Mo?
oh, mga favorite.
Yan, Moss Burger.
Pati Macdo. Yan yung mga favorite.
Ito ano nito? Close up. Ayan, Maxi Cash.
Matagal na nga.
This is Mommy's hometown. This is where Mommy grow.
We always used to come here, Mama and Papa.
Asan ang bata? Topayo Peak View. Yeah.
Video mo na lang. Madami mo.
Karay, post na natin yung shots.
So this is used to be our boat.
Going to Mommy's house before. Yay! And there's double-decker bus. Only in Singapore. And that's a church. There's the road.
There's done.
Roads have signage. It's how organized Singapore is. Pwede na ako mag-vlog. Pwede na ako mag-vlog. Here's Mommy. This is where Mommy lives before in Singapore. Sabi sobrang taas. Which one? Number 81B?
81B.
81B?
81B. Ayan.
Anong floor ka?
11. May tao na doon. Ay, huwag na tayo pumunta.
Ay, hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Ipakita lang natin kung saan ka nag-ano. Tapos dito ka nag-sasakay ng bus.
Dito ako nagsakay.
Sana yung ano mo, kapitbahay mo din si sino ba yun?
Suche.
Luche?
Ayan.
Diyan, makikita mo siya sa bintana lang din. From here.
Ay, hindi ko na nakikita.
Sabi mo man, nakikita mo siya pag bumababa ka. May mga kotse nila tapos lumalabas. So saan ka pumapasok dito? Diyan, hagdanan. Naghahagdanan ka lang, walang elevator? This is where Mommy lives before. We have Mommy's house here. Ah, dyan. Wow.
This is our old house.
This is where mommy enters. So that mommy can go to the house. Uy, aakyat tayo?
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Ah, grabe. Nak, be careful. Come on, let them go out. Yung bahay namin, tumitingin ako dati dito sa taas. Tinitingnan ko yung baba. Baba.
So big.
So this is our old house.
Don't go up.
Not so high, John Rain. Are you a Waikong? I think you're a Waikong. Okay, not like that. That's dirty Nux.
We're in the bus. Smell, Junri.
That is...
You're in the bus? Hey. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. Sleeping.
Next station, Orchard.
Ay, kita ang kuyukot mo.
Next station for the Thompson East Coast Line.
So na, ito bunik na. Buni lang. Grabe ang taas. Nakakalula. Kailangan mo mag heads up talaga.
Daddy, ayan na. Tingnan mo.
Ito na yung center lang.
Hanapin muna natin yung CBC.
Ang galing. Grabe, sobrang haba. Ha?
Picture tayo.
Yossi area malapit lang. You know, Yossi. Yossi, 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 Yossi.
Asan na ba ng Merlana? Daddy is looking for OCBC building. I'm the map. I'm the
Tama.
because mommy don't know how to read the map. Junrain is sleepy. You hold mommy's hand, don't let go, please. Ah, there, I see it, Daddy. The symbol. OCBC.
Where? I don't like these. Oh, that's Sapphire. Woohoo!
There. That's Tito's work.
Where?
There, the building.
I cannot see.
They're all OCBC. That's Tito Rainier's office.
Where is it?
They're all, look, open your eyes. Open your eyes. There. You found it, Daddy?
Oh,
Oh, you
There.
point na. There, we reach our destination.
Where's Tito?
Oh, we chat dito na daw we're here. Oh, we take picture.
Wait, lumat. Let's go.
We are at the orchard. Let's go.
Saan tayo?
Sa taas, pataas. And then out. On the left side. Very good. Hi.
Hi.
Ay, blur yung camera dati.
Kailangan mo siguro iwing.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Lola's old office.
Yeah.
This is orchard. Pwede tayo mag-picture dito.
Here? Hilton.
Ito ang Angus na ano dito, mga shopping.
Ano mga shopping malls?
Ayan yung sinasabi ko na madaming birds.
Yung mga birds.
Maraming birds. And we are at Orchard. The building. Ayan o, tinakpan na nila. Dati kasi pwede pa dyan o. Kaya nga merong ganyan o. Kaya pwede maglakad noon. Meron na kasing dati na nag-try siya o. Tapos sasagasaan siya. Ito yung dating building nila, Papa. Ito yung mga maraming Pinoy, Lucky Plaza.
Sa Lucky Plaza.
Plaza. Pwede tayo mag-picture dito, Daddy.
Mommy's buying ice cream. Where are we? In Lucky Plaza?
In front of
In
Lucky
front?
Plaza. Kasi we went the wrong way. Oh. Thank you.
Wow.
Sisi. Ay. We need to... Hey. Hi.
Hi, we're in the fountain in between the orchard.
Okay, let's go, guys. It's hot. It's so bright.
So hot. Come on, your toy. Hold it properly. Pino.
Yun ang...
Kabayan.
Maraming Pinoy dito sa
Bayan.
orchard.
Kabayan.
Wag na kay... Ignore mo yan sila.
Yung Gucci.
Gucci.
Ayan, Gucci. Parang Gucci.
Gucci. Dito tayo daan
Gucci.
para ano, hindi mainit. Init kasi. Or on the other side na... dito tayo picture. Hi! So hot! Are you feeling hot? Inside the Paragon Mall.
We're here para mag-CR.
Ayun, Saba. Ano ba yan? Tinawag CR ang mga mall. Ang ganda kasi ang init sa labas. Nak, careful ha. Ayun ang CR, Daddy. Oh. Daddy. Tsaka tumingin din kung anong meron dito sa Paragon. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung condo na gagawin sa Davao.
Baka.
Knock, agoy. You drink water, B. Where's the toilet? Here.
Saba. Ay, may pagkainan man din pala dito. Para nga siyang same lang sa sa Parang DCLA Plaza. Wow!
Dati McDonald's.
Jollibee, Singapore. Ayan. Parang DCLA Plaza. Ha? Dating office nila? Dito.
Ay, doon saan? Ito dati ang office nila.
Dating office. Ano pala yung dati before? Remittance. Yun yung dating office ni nila Papa.
May pa rin. Diyan kami kumakain.
Okay, let's go.
Take picture.
Oh, Lucky Plaza. Boy is being irritated again. Let's go, bye-bye!
Wala na yung pizza hut dito. Dati yung pizza hut dito.
What do you want? I'm using my camera. Ada ate Pizza Hut dyan.
Mango juice?
Where are we going? Here? Oh, no, go to mommy. I'll use my magical cell phone to pass through here. Yeah. And there. There. What is that, mommy? That's
Takashimaya building.
Takashimaya building. And what is this? That's Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. And that's Chanel. Chanel. And that's Louis Vuitton. This is the Takashimaya. That was Shari. What? Shari Shopping Center.
Ito yung mga
Rockland, Hilton.
mga tataas na socials.
Yun ba yung may parang alien na ano, saucer stars? May ibang lugar yun. Hindi lang yun dito. This is again, that's Louis Vuitton. That's Chanel. And then there is Balenciaga. Balenciaga. That's Paragon. And right below it's Balenciaga.
Daddy, don't start off, Daddy.
My God.
Don't start off.
Yeah. Hindi man siya. That's, what's that word? That's Hermes. Hermes. What's that, mommy? Hermes? That's the famous song. What is that, mommy? That's the famous song. Dolce and Gabbana.
Ayun ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Start off.
That's Prada. That is the wife of my brother. Prada. That's Ate Lisel. Prada.
So late.
That's the company of my sister-in-law, Prada.
Daddy, look at picture now.
I take picture. That's the fountain in Nian City. Enjoy.
Double decker
That's scary.
Oh,
That's our car.
and what's that? On it.
How many
Not
steps?
so loud, not so loud. Ilang stuff. I don't know how
Wala.
many. A lot of stuff. Are you happy?
Yeah. The double decker bus. Red car.
Very good.
My red car.
Ayun na, Bobby.
My red car. My red car.
Ito, McDonald House. Ito, McDonald House.
My red car.
Yes.
This,
Building na
Mommy,
to.
this red car it looks like Mitsubishi.
Yes.
Mitsubishi.
Not so loud, not so loud.
The red car
walang mga
looks
tao.
like Mitsubishi.
English. So, makita mo dito ang view. Ito yung mall na, next is Cathay Mall.
Okay.
Ito, Temasek Shop.
Car.
Yeah. So, we're going to pass by, may National Museum din. SMU. This one is the mall. We used to go here. This is the Cinemark Cathay. Yeah, there's a good IMAX there. And we used to come here, and then after movies, we go home. Used to take taxi there. There in the, taxi.
Ayun, taxi.
In the garden. I used to walk.
Double-decker bus. The cherry. We're in the yellow. No, we're in the orange bus. The orange double-decker bus. Oh, there's the other one. The other.
This is an old building. Madaanan natin yata yung Little India.
Engineer. There's more engineer here.
Where?
It's there and there.
Yeah.
Look, engineer. Engineer. Engineer.
Not so loud, not so loud.
Too loud.
Man, keep quiet. So loud.
The double-decker bus. The double-decker bus. Double-decker bus. The double-decker bus.
Hi.
Mag-picture muna tayo dito, Daddy. Dito. Mga snack din dito. Para siyang Yango rin talaga. Mga snack, gift shop.
Maganda man ito. China na China.
Oh, gusto nyo kumain. Pwede rin. Gutom na ba kayo?
Ha? Later?
Gutom na kayo? Ayan dito, pwede tayong picture dito. O Chinatown Heritage Center. At Marina Bay
Marina Bay
Sands.
Sands.
Let's go!
Hey, we cannot fly there.
McQueen.
It's not my cup of tea.
It's Daddy and John Rain's first time. Come on, let's wiwi now, wiwi. Kay Daddy. Going to Gardens by the Bay.
Yeah. Huh?
Oo.
Careful. Or else you might get lost, John Rain. 1 week in Singapore. 2 weeks in Singapore. 1 month in Singapore.
Ano ba yan?
Dito rin kami.
Oopsie, sorry. The camera was moving now.
Yeah.
Oh, the camera was moving.
Yes.
See?
Yeah, it's moving.
See, it's moving. It's I'm walking because I'm walking.
Yes.
So many people are dancing behind.
It's pop.
S-Pop, Singapore Pop.
Sing pop.
Open! We're at Gardens by the Bay Sound. Ay, grabe. Uy, kataas. Uy.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is...
Come on. It's so long. Still too far.
So stiff. Go, go, go!
Hurry up, it's still too far. Wow.
Gardens by the Bay. Shoot tayo doon. Ah! So tiring. Yeah. Ah, there's teddy bears. Malayo.
Oh,
Ano siya?
Flower Dome Club Forest. Doon.
I'm not sure.
Sabi doon.
Dun da?
Eh, may shuttle service.
Or dito? Dito siguro.
Ay, hindi yata. Diyan yata.
Hmm.
Libre lang mo kayo ito, no?
Oh, libre naman. Ayan na, may ano. May boat. Si John na yun dati. Eh, baka makaapak siya ng mga dagat. Eh, river. Ayan.
Okay, hindi na yata yan. Ayun na yan. Straight na. Come on, Junwayne.
Wow.
wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Come on, Junwayne, come on.
Philippines? Philippines.
Hi.
Ah.
So we're at Gardens by the Bay. It's so big.
We need to go there.
Yeah, we need to. You want to go there? Ay, we need to go get here and then the other side. Come on. Nah, come on.
Come on.
Because to the other side. This is the MRT, Bayfront MRT. Junwayne, be careful.
And we hold the camera properly.
Come on.
Okay. Okay. Let's try it. We're going to try the train now.
No, not the train. We're still in the garden.
Yeah.
We're going to take the bridge now.
Taking the bridge. Wow! The bridge.
You're in the break. It's going, man.
I don't know. I forgot also.
Going to the...
Okay, let's go.
Gigantic structures. Oh. Like almost a building already. You know, building. Halos katapat na yung building.
Sige, Daddy, go. Sige, gusto ko kayong videohan. There. You like it?
Do you like it?
Can see it up close.
You can go up close.
Monkey man. Monkey man.
You're not a monkey.
Monkey man.
Going down.
Are you a monkey?
Pico is a monkey man. Monkey man. A monkey man.
A human.
A monkey man.
Tandaan mo yung ano natin, Daddy, ha? Binalikan natin.
A monkey man. We're getting closer.
There it is.
Ayun na yun ah.
Kaya I need to take camera.
There.
So this is how it looks
Up close.
up close.
Yeah. This is where we were earlier. Let's take picture in the other side baka. Mas maganda dun sa ibang view.
Wow. Oh, look.
Hmm.
Look ah.
Wow. A booted bridge.
Wait.
Hmm. Ito. Pwede tayong picture dito. Doon ka, Day.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're in the cloud.
Gardens by the Bay.
May
Yeah.
parang to cloud something.
Ha? Meron pala.
Cloudy, cloudy.
Cloud something.
Wow.
Okay. Mommy.
Here we are.
Ow.
So this is how it looks up close. They're like buildings. Super Tree Observatory. Ay, may pick up coffee. Ang dami pala niya. Akala ko 3 lang yung nakita natin.
Super tree. Nag-ibang kulay siya.
Ah, Super Tree.
Po tayo dito sa video. Ay, really, gusto mo bili tayo?
Yun na. This is Super Tree Observatory.
Muna kayo dito, Daddy.
Okay, let's go sit down.
Try ko kung may drinks na ang init.
Kaya nga eh.
Tayo ng something chill lang.
Wow. What color is it right now? Is color
Parang
pink?
red.
The Marina Bay Sands can be seen here. Super close.
3, 4, 5, 6.
And here's my beautiful wife. And here's my Baulubot son. Are you Baulubot?
Wala siyang ibang t-shirt dyan sa loob. Okay, go. Sige na. Okay, nag-video na lang.
Okay, let's go in here. Going inside the Marina Bay Sands.
Yeah. It's so big. There's the Singapore Flyer. And there's Junlin. Bago tayo magpasok na dito, palitan ko yung damit niya na.
Okay.
Are you tired na, Daddy?
Hindi naman masyado.
Ang daming mga cranes. is moving a little bit slow. Singapore flag.
Ano yun? Yung wala ilaw lang yan?
Meron siya sa ano. Meron niya siya sa loob.
Yung ilaw sa baba.
Okay, let's go. Where are we?
We're inside.
Inside the Marina Bay Sands.